Hello esteemed viewers, welcome to our maths tutorial for today. In today's maths tutorial, we are going to consider that maths Olympiad question. We are asked to solve for y if 2 to the power of 10 plus 2 to the power of 10 is equal to 2 to the power of y. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Also remember to press the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I upload my daily maths Olympiad question video. Now, thank you. Now let's look at this question. I'm so anxious to solve this question because this question looks interesting and perhaps people might look at it as a question that is very easy. But then this question might be easy assuming that this is a multiplication. Remember, if that becomes multiplication, then we can easily apply the multiplication law of indices, and then voila, our result will come out. Our result will just be y equal to 20. But unfortunately, our result cannot be that because this is an addition sign. Now, to solve this math Olympiad question, we have to apply some due logic. Now, let's see how we can solve that question. To solve that question, we will assume that we'll have 2 to the power of 10, right? We will have 2 to the power of 10, 2 to the power of 10 plus 2 to the power of 10, and this is equal to 2 to the power of y. Now, 2 to the power of 10 is common. I want to use the logic here. If 2 to the power of 10 is common here, I can say this is 1 plus 1, and this will be equal to 2 to the power of y. I've not changed anything because this whole thing multiplied by this whole thing will still give me this value. So if I say 2 to the power of 10, this will give me what? 2 equal to 2 to the power of y. So what I'll simply do is this is 2 to the power of 1, right? If that is 2 to the power of 1, and remember this is multiplying. Now remember the law of indices that if we have a to the power of x multiply a to the power of y, it will be equal to a to the power of x what? Y. So let's bring that together. If we bring that common logic, we're going to find out that we'll have 2 to the power of 10 plus 1, right? And that will be equal to 2 to the power of y. Same base, the power equates. So we'll have 10 plus 1 equal to y. And finally, we can see that our y is equal to 11. So we have our y to be equal to 11. Some people will be surprised. How did you get this? It's surprising, but their solution is that our y is equal to what? 11. Now let's check out the solution. If you are surprised about how we get this solution, then check out this. Let's check. We will have our check. We are given 2 to the power of 10, right? Equal to plus 2 to the power of 10, and that is equal to 2 to the power of y. Now, 2 to the power of 10 will give us 1024, right? Plus 2 to the power of 10 will give us 1024, right? And this is equal to 2 to the power of 11, which is what? Y. Now, can 2 to the power of 11 give you the sum of these two? The sum of these two will give us 48, right? So this will be equal to, can 2 to the power of 11 give us this? Now let's confirm. 2 to the power of 11, let's point our calculator. Voila, that's exactly what we get. So 2 to the power of 11, 2 to the power of 11, 2 to the power of 11 is equal to 2048. So what does that tells us? That our solution y equal to 11 is perfectly correct for that exponential equation. I know you do enjoy this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel to get notified whenever I upload my simplified daily maths Olympiad content. Thank you and bye bye.